What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So a while ago, I've been doing a thing where I've been investing into 100 random projects, and I wanted to find the right platform to do so. A platform that makes it cheap to be able to purchase things because I'm not going to be purchasing a lot. I wanted to find a platform that makes it easy to purchase it, as in like not a DEX. I wanted to do it on a CEX. So I either chose between Coinbase and Kraken. At first, I chose Coinbase because I could technically go the free route of trading by doing Coinbase One, at which I did sign up for the trial. But then I also noticed that I can't separate the portfolio, so I can't see exactly what the difference is. I would just have a bunch of random coins included with my regular projects that I currently am invested in. So I was like, that doesn't really line up. I want to be able to see crypto assets that I have all in one, and I don't have to worry about really separating out anything. I want to make sure that we have whatever we invest, whether it's 500 or 520 or $540, $550 into this exchange, and be able to say this $550 exchange grew to $600 or $700 or $1,000 or so. That's really what I wanted out of the deal. So that's what I built. And over this past maybe month or so, might have been 3 weeks. Yeah. Over this past like 3 weeks, we've built out this portfolio, and we started with like 20, then we built to 40, we went to like 60 and 80 and 100. And now we have 100. We went through the first, I believe, update a little bit ago where we did see an increase in a lot of different things. We saw some decreases in some things, but I feel like the positivity, kind of outweighed a lot of the negativity. So it's good to be able to see that. But this is another update where I'm just excited, and this is what I wanted to see out of some of these crypto assets. Now, I'm not 100% sure if it's going to be all of them. You might see things that come back quite a bit, but when you start to see maybe some interest building in other ones or get listed on other platforms, that's where you see, a lot of these projects that now end up blowing up and go from maybe a $10 million market cap to a $100 million market cap, or go from a $1 million market cap to a $3 million market cap, right? So still being able to grow, 100%, 1,000%, 300, 400, 500%. That's what I wanted to see. And obviously you'll get that occasional one that will absolutely explode from a lower market cap coin all the way up to a higher market cap coin. So that's really what I wanted to do here. And that's kind of what I set out to do so far. It's only been, again, about a month, maybe 3 weeks or so since we've started building this portfolio. And I wanted to give you an update on where things stand with the position. Now, I wanted to buy more Pepe, and Pepe wasn't available in this platform. So I did put in another $40, somewhere around $47, $48. But I recently invested into another play that's going to be a part of this portfolio as well, because it is a lower market cap position that could have a potential chance to run as well. So let's just include that in, but still try and do some simple math to figure out how much we've really gained and how much we've seen in an increase. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links should be in the description. And don't forget about my Rumble account. I'm going to post a lot of videos over on Rumble, and I do live streams over on Rumble, and I actually plan on doing weekend live streams over on Rumble. The link will be down in the description. I want to grow that platform to something a lot bigger as well, similar to YouTube, just in case this YouTube thing doesn't really work out. I hope to have kind of a backup plan. You never know what could happen with YouTube. I've seen people's accounts being canceled for no reason at all. So feel free to go and check out that. Go and follow me as more of that backup plan. If someday I'm gone, then you know that you'll be able to find me on that platform. Or on X. You can ask me on X as well. But let's talk about my portfolio. We did a lot of talking. We haven't shown anything here. So this is my Kraken portfolio. It currently stands at $623.66. Now, the reason why I decided to do this, where I wanted to invest in 100 random projects, it's not really random, but it's random from the bottom up. But the reason why I wanted to invest in these projects without actually looking into them, it is considered kind of a gamble. It's not investing. It's considered kind of a gamble, and I'm basically trying to figure out if exchanges really vet a lot of these projects or if they just throw things on there. And a lot of times what I've noticed is like with Coinbase or with Kraken or with, some of the bigger platforms is they won't list absolutely everything. So you won't be in that range of having a ton of rug pulls or any rug pulls for that matter. And you have the ability to grow a lot more, especially if you are, at the bottom of the market right now. So when you see these coins that get listed that are a $1 million market cap or $10 million market cap, that it has potential to grow a lot further because it was listed on Kraken for a reason. And as we see the market grow, this will grow as well. So I invested in total in this portfolio $517 into these plays, which I had 100 coins. Now I have about 101 coins here because I did add another one. And that $517, right, ended up increasing to $624. Now we have to factor in the 48, let's say $50. Let's round it up to $50. So with that increase there for $50, we're basically saying that we had somewhere around 50, maybe closer to $60 worth of a gain, which is absolutely fantastic, right? That is more than 10% of an increase in this portfolio. And I guess you probably want to know the reasons why we did see that 10% increase in this portfolio. Overall, it says that it's up 22%. If we look at the last month, I want to look at the last week, and you can see how it is up $88 or 16% from that time frame. We did see things that absolutely did run to higher levels, as well as adding in the 47-ish dollars, or let's just call it $50. So if we scroll down here and we look at some of the highest positions, I do have Celestia, which is, it says it's at a price of 2 cents or 20% of a penny. It's actually at $2, so I don't know what Kraken is doing, but it's at $2 and I have 19 that's here, because if I had 19 at 20% of a penny, that does not add up to $48, which has increased since then. So that's fantastic to see when I did purchase it. But some other notable ones that have increased, I've bought a lot that were $5 and they blew up to higher levels. And you can see here Rubik, I bought $5. That has increased 300%. You can see Bluezell that has increased basically 300%. So a lot of things that have increased that are over the $10 mark, and some things that are up in the $9 mark. But other things that I did buy that were $5 increased to about $6 or $6.97. And some, very rare that you do see some of those that have actually decreased, that went below the $5 mark. Super Farm, we're seeing Ren that is below $5, still at around $4.84. Mirror Protocol, $4.80. And we scroll all the way down here to Moons, that's worth 90 cents. So obviously there's some that have decreased a lot, where you see these have decreased down to $3, but there are other ones that have increased to being triple the value, not quadruple the value yet. At one point this morning, let's go all the way back up here. At one point this morning, Rubik was up to $40 or so. I didn't sell anything because what I'm looking at is what the market cap is. So the market cap of this position is a $3.3 million market cap here. It has so much potential to move forward, right? Being on Kraken and seeing the influx of people that are looking for the next position to really blow up, that could be the play that you end up having. Now, am I banking on what this is all about? No, I'm not. All I'm doing is looking at the market cap, looking at the potential, looking at the places that it is listed on, and seeing what the movement could be and where we could see this at. But honestly, it went from $5 up to a value of $40 this morning, and I probably should have taken profit at that point, but I really didn't want to pull out of the play. I wanted to hold on to it to see what it ends up being worth. But you let me know if you want me to do it that way. Do you want me to see what these highs are, hit some of these highs, and then pull out as it does hit some of those highs? Or do you want me to hold through the bull market to see what it's all about? Because what I typically want to do is when it does get to a point where it like quadruples or 10x the investment, I want to take out, not only the initial investment, but maybe a little bit more, and throw it into something like Ethereum and see how much we can build up in Ethereum. Maybe we can build up to grab one Ethereum or hopefully like 10 Ethereum. You never know where these are going to go. We could see Rubik go up to $100 million market cap from where we are, and or go to a $30 million market cap at that point. If it goes to a $30 million market cap, this adds a zero, it's $150. Or you can see it at a $1.3 billion market cap or a $3.3 billion market cap. You never honestly know where they're going to go from there. So if it does, then I now have 1,500 after a $5 investment into Rubik. So same thing goes for Blue-Zelly, same thing goes for Arbitrum and all of the others that are there. So I'm excited to see what it could be. I'm excited to see what this platform can be, but I'm glad that we're seeing positivity within this portfolio, and I'm glad that we're doing this kind of at the bottom of the market rather than the top of the market. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.